We all expect airport employees to follow all airport protocols. So what happens when one airport employee refuses to show credentials at the airport checkpoint? On June 26, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was at the scene at the airport for that person.
I go. Hey, my man. Hey, my man, what's going on? Oh, yeah,
whoa, what is the problem?
What's the problem?
Bro, I got somewhere to be, bro.
If there's people...
Back up, bro.
Hey, don't get locked up today, bro. Don't get locked up today. Turn around. You
Bro, get your hands off me.
Turn around, like I said.
Bro, what is your problem?
Turn around. You in a secure area. Turn around, bro. Don't make it worse, man. I'm letting you know right now. Don't make it worse. Ain't nobody trying to take your job. I will. Put your hands behind your back. Like I said. Put your hands behind your back.
What is the problem, bro? What is your problem, bro?
Turn around.
What is your problem, bro?
Turn around.
What is your problem, bro? What is your problem, bro?
Like I said, turn around.
What is your problem, bro? Why are you putting handcuffs on me for no reason?
Turn around, man.
Why are you tensing up?
What do you mean why am I tensing up? I got somebody assaulting me, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got somebody assaulting me.
Put your hand behind your back.
Talking about somebody assaulting you.
Get your hands out your pocket.
Don't do that. Bruh.
Stop
Don't do that.
tensing
I got somebody assaulting me.
Man,
It ain't no
turn
somebody.
around.
What?
Everybody assaulting you. Everybody trying to do nothing to you. Put your hand behind your back, man. We're going to jail for some nonsense. In a secure area. They telling you to stop.
Man, I got
You making a
headphones
big,
in, bro.
bro.
I got headphones in, bro.
He touched you.
I got a random.
He touched you.
Bro, I got a random person
He
coming up
touched
to
you.
Bro, I got a random person.
Security.
You see this every
Bro, I
day.
got a random person.
Security
coming up
talking to you.
I'm getting off work. I got a random person coming up to me, touching me. I don't know who you are, bro. I got somewhere to go, bro.
You see this?
I got somewhere to go, bro.
You see that right there?
Bro,
My man,
he is a
just
random
listen.
person. I do not know this man from a can of paint, bro.
He working right here.
Bro, I've never seen this man
You see
for
the
a day in my
badge.
life,
You see
bro.
the badge.
I
You see
haven't
that?
seen him, bro. I haven't seen him.
Come on, man. Think. You trying to lose your
Bro,
job over some
bro,
nonsense?
I'm getting off work.
Are
I'm
you
walking
trying to
to
lose
my
your job
ride.
over nonsense?
I'm getting off work. I'm walking to my ride. Some
man.
random man touching me. I'm like, bro, who are you, sir?
Let's use common sense, brother.
I'm using common sense. I'm in
No.
here every day. I'm in here every day. How am I not using common
That's
sense?
more reason you should know.
This could have been way left. You could have got hurt. Somebody could
What you mean? This could have went like this is already left.
No,
You
no,
over here
no.
putting your hands on me.
Brother.
The hell you talking
Look,
about?
listen. This could have been way left. Yes, because
Bro,
the
you
ground
putting your
bleeding.
hands on me. This already left.
Nah, it's not left.
It's already
hurt
left. It's already left.
you. No, it's not.
Bro, I'm not worried
Listen.
about nobody hurting me. Promise.
All right. You must go watch the news.
You want me to hold down the check?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me take him to the police real quick.
So I can't even go home after work.
Yeah, you going with
'Cause y'all
me.
niggas over here.
My man. Let's come to the precinct. 1750 radio. What company you work for, man? Huh? You said what?
I don't know, bro. I don't even. I lost my whole train of thought, bro.
Come on, man.
Hey, radio.
I watched the man touch you.
Fine.
All you gotta do is turn around. Who are you? That's all you gotta say.
Because I don't know you, bro.
Ain't someone me.
I'm in here. I
Him.
don't know any of y'all. I
Doesn't
don't know
matter.
you. I don't know
It
him.
doesn't matter.
Bro,
This
yes,
is
it
a
does matter.
business.
Yes, it does matter.
This is a business.
Bro, I'm in
You
here.
got a lot
I'm
of-
in
you got-
here.
you got stuff you
I'm
can
in
work
here
here.
every fucking day, bro.
Okay.
I'm in here every day.
Okay, my
I
man
get off
said
work
something
and
to
I'm
you.
going home and I got some random dude on my back touching me. I'm like, bro, go mind your business. I'm
So
minding
that's what you
mine.
do. Turn around. Who are you? Who are you? That's what you're supposed to say.
No, I didn't. Bro, if you minding your business, why are you worried about who I am in the first place?
should
If you
turn
doing,
around.
if you
You should
if you
turn
in here
around.
doing your job,
You
doing
should
what you're
turn around
supposed to
and
do,
say,
why are you in my
touching
face?
me? Who are you? Why
Why are
touching
you
me?
in my face if you in here doing what you're supposed to do? Why in your business? That's the real question. Yeah, all
You
right.
gotta take a minute.
Yeah, niggas ain't got an answer for that, though.
For that
Niggas ain't got an answer for that, though.
Turn around. Who are you?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right.
You see my man got a TSA
Yeah, all right.
uniform on.
Yeah, all right.
People just walk
I'm
to the
not
airport.
worried about what uniform you got on, bro. I'm worried about where I'm going.
All right, man. You too big, you too young, old for that. He tripping.
8688, that's negative.
Bro, why is you in my pockets, bro?
Man, you take everything out of the pot. You better go to sell. You ain't going there.
Copy.
Take some drawers off. This motherfucker right here, man. He gonna stop my man who was calling him. My man do got earbuds in, but my man touched him. He kept him on. Fuck it. I said, yo, my man.
Then he starts putting
He trying. He thought he was gonna. Oh man, I ain't gonna like they gonna resist and shit. I'm like, my man, what's going on left? Ain't nobody trying to hurt you. I ain't go the fuck home, man. It's my fucking anniversary. I'm dealing with this dick kid. What the issue with this guy right here?
Huh? He came off the elevator, and we're doing screening of employees. So when he got off the elevator, we asked to see his badge, and he just blows right past us. And his badge was invisible, so I started following him, and he's moving pretty fast. So I caught up with him. I said, "Hey!" I kept saying, "Hey, hey." He didn't answer, so I touched him with my water bottle and said, "Hey." He turned around for a split second, and then turned around and kept going. So we had to follow and try to get somebody else involved. He wouldn't stop. He's supposed to stop.
So you want to go through security?
Well, we screen employees. We're a part of the Atlas team with TSA. So he came up the elevator, and we were doing bag checks at the elevator. He didn't have a bag on him, but we needed to see his ID. His ID's up underneath his clothing, which it shouldn't be in the first place.
Dick kid, man. Maybe.
That's fine. I think that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't see shit.
Come on, Mr. Johnson. Stand up. Let's go.
Where we going?
How you going to Clinton County? Just call your folks when you get there. Well,
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.